嘿，你今天好吗？今天天气有点下雨哦。你今天有没有要出去玩啊？我们要不要一起去看电影啊？
Whoa, I don't understand what you're saying.
I'm going to teach you how to say I don't understand in Chinese. 我不懂 That means I don't understand. 我 means I. 不 meaning that's a negative or means no. 不懂 means understand. So 3 words together means I don't understand. 我不懂，我不懂。So say it with me. 我不懂。
我不懂。
So one at a time. 我 means I. 我
with a swoop, right?
with the swoop up. And then I go, hey, whoa, whoa. But do it. 我 Perfect. Second word. 不 means don't. No. It's a negative of the word, right? 不 So say it with me. You know, it's a boo, boo. 不
boo,
不
boo.
Perfect! Now the third word is a verb. Very important. Means understand. 懂
Dong,
Think about that doorbell, right? Ding dong, dong. You do a swoop up like dong,
dong,
dong.
dong.
Perfect! Now let's do 3 words together. Saying, I don't understand. 我不懂。
我不懂。
One more time. 我不懂。
我不懂。